how to turn off page you manage new followers notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off page you manage new followers notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, just go down. Here you will find settings and then notifications, and here just go down, you will find pages you manage and select your page, and go down. Here you will find page interactions, and go down again until you find this one, new followers of page. Just click on it if you want to turn it off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.